Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto E7 Power and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera shooter sound at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let me take a picture. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, let's move to the right corner. When we tap to this button, we can open the advanced camera settings, and in the capture settings category at the first place now we can see the capture sound option. So by using the button from the right, we can easily turn off the camera shooter sound or turn it on as we need. Now let me keep it turned off. Let's move back to the camera, and when I take another picture we can't hear anything. And of course we can turn it on once again by going to the right corner and tapping to this button with capture sound. So for now we can hear it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.